I'd like to introduce you to Missy, my last remaining chicken. They're not just outside pets, you can have them in the house as well. Missy's the last of 3 chickens we had. And the strange thing is, when she was with a group of 3, she's very timid and she'd run off from you. But now, when you open the door and she comes trotting and up she jumps on you. Really tame and very clingy. It could almost turn me vegan, but not quite. Come here, Missy. Say hello to the camera. Missy's now about 5 years old. She still gives us a little egg every now and again, don't you, old girl? Hey?
Lots of files.
No need for that.
Lots and lots of files.
What's in these files?
Standard medical forms. There's a birth certificate, smallpox vaccination certificate.
You can go bed in a minute.
This.
I'm going to tuck you up in bed. Yes, I am.
Collection cassette. The new ones. Book your test drive today.
Good morning.
Morning.
So one of the things that's really done it for me about this trip is being able to boondock. Being able to park behind the cinema here.
Bedtime for little chickens. Night, Missy. Right, another little thing we found out with our Missy the little chicken is she's very partial to a little bit of banana, which is dead surprising to us. We didn't know chickens like banana, but she goes mad for this. So you'll see her come running for this, hopefully. Missy? Momo! She's here. You coming for your banana? Come on, come on, come on. Is this what you want? Is this what you want? What's that? What? She loves it, don't you? Yeah, the downside of keeping chickens is you do have to keep the mess down, but they do make a great pet. So we've got the hose pipe and we swill off any poo anywhere, or we get it up and chuck it in the compost. But they aren't too difficult to keep after. They've got a little coop, and as I say, you get an odd egg every now and again. And Missy's nearly 5 now, and we still get about 3 or 4 eggs a week, would you say? Yep. You're a good little girl, aren't you? You can come in later if